Welcome back to One More Guru. Today we're looking at PowerGrid Pro, a small plug-in device that claims it can cut your electric bill by 30 to 50%. Here's the truth. Those claims don't hold up. Your electric meter charges you for the energy you actually use, and no plug-in device can change that. The idea that it sends unused electricity back is simply not real. Electricians and engineers agree that these types of devices cannot provide meaningful energy savings. Inside, they usually contain cheap components and LEDs, not any advanced energy-saving technology. This product has been sold for years under different names, which is a red flag. Similar devices in the past have also raised safety concerns. There's no clear company behind it, and many online reviews appear fake or misleading. You can even find identical units for just a few dollars. Bottom line, there's no proof it saves power or money, and it fits the typical pattern of misleading energy-saving gadgets. Thanks for watching One More Guru. If this helped, like the video and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns.